Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nansen to your wallets for portfolio tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Nansen to your wallets for portfolio tracking, start by visiting the Nansen website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by entering your email address and setting a password. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Now, log into your Nansen account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets section in your dashboard. In the Wallets area, look for the Connect Wallet button and click on it. You will see several wallet options, including MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others. Choose the wallet you want to connect by clicking on its icon. If you selected MetaMask, a prompt will appear asking you to log in to your MetaMask account. Enter your MetaMask password and unlock your wallet. Once your wallet is unlocked, authorize the connection by clicking Connect in the MetaMask prompt. If you used Wallet Connect, you will need to scan the QR code with your mobile wallet app. After scanning, confirm the connection on your mobile device. Once your wallet is connected, you will see your wallet address displayed in the Nansen dashboard. Nansen will automatically start tracking your portfolio, displaying your assets and transaction history. You can customize the view and filter to see specific information about your holdings. Repeat these steps for any other wallets you wish to connect. Make sure to regularly check back for updates and insights on your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.